lord, your son!
Oh no, my son!
There's something in here.
Do you know what's this?
Do you know what happened?
What just happened?
The king was distraught.